Okay, so today I am going to be doing my makeup. And so, yeah, we're going to start with the concealer. Okay, Oh, sorry about that. My mistake. Okay, we'll just put it over just a little bit on our cheeks. And on the other cheek. And on our nose. And so on our chin. And we're just gonna rub it on. So I've been doing makeup since I was 10, and yeah, this is really a big thing for me. And so now we're going to do the I don't know what it's called, but it is the gray circle containers with those fluffy things that pat on your face. And yeah, oops, I'm a slob. Okay, yeah. So do we have a fluffy thing around here? Yeah, there we go. We're just going to fluff all around our cheeks and maybe some on our nose. That's toxic. And on our other cheek and our chin. Okay. My eyes. Okay, I think that's enough. But okay, I'm not sure what's next. I have yeah, so, I think I look good. Okay, we'll do, mascara. Okay, so we're just up over by the little things. That's where our mascara is. And we're just going to do, wait, I think I'm supposed to shut my eyes. Is that a good idea? Should I shut my eyes? Yeah, I think I'll shut my eyes. I'm so scared. But I will do it on my eyes. Okay, I'm down. I think I need to go down. Oh. Okay, I'm an expert. Oh my gosh, it's in my nose. Okay. Okay, I'm just putting on my nose right now, guys. Just leave me alone. Okay, I think that's enough mascara now, but yeah, it's a little rough. Okay, I'm just twisting the cap on. Eyeshadow now. So I think we'll start with a lighter color on our eyeshadow. And so we need a fifth brush on your left. And you're just going to take the lightest color and go on your eyeshadow. Okay, now the next eye. Oh, that stabs. Okay, now, okay, I think next we will do, yeah, some brown sparkle, and, yeah. A little bad, but I'm good. Okay, no, we're gonna shut this container, and we have some little ones, and I'm going to use the sparkly purple on this. So it's like the first one, not in the back, the next one, yeah. I'm just gonna take this one, and then I will take the same brush we had. Okay, brush. Yep, that should be good. I think we'll use this one. Okay, and so I'm going to put that, just put that on my eyes. You see, I am like a professional at eyeshadow here, so I've been doing it on people for a long time now, and they really appreciate how good I look. And, okay, so I'm not quite sure if we will use the pencil yet, but, lipstick. We got our lipstick fell on the ground over there. Yeah, that's different. There, I'll use that. I think we'll use the bigger one, because that one is one of my favorites. And yeah, we also had blush. We'll do blush too, but we're going to do the lipstick first. Alright, okay, so we just put it on our lips. Okay, I think that's all we'll put on there. Now we just rub it around. And now blush. I don't know. Oh, I think our blush. Okay, it's gone. Okay, I don't know where the blush went, but Okay, well, thank you for watching this show. I think that's all for our makeup. So we've done a great job on our makeup. Yeah, bye, bye, bye.